First wife and wife number 5 cooking together. You know, guys, Umakwela, she might not suffer the way people think she will suffer. So anyway, guys, let's get to start today. You know, the rest of the house is on my page and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, rate, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, thanks to Sneh, let's give Sneh her flowers, because if it wasn't for her, we would never know. Ukuthi uMacela and Makwela, they did spend the Easter together, guys. So Usne posted a beautiful picture saying, my mommy, guys, Usne, she's finally accepting ukuthi uMakwela, that's her mother, like it or not, even though uMakwela, she's younger than Sneh. So guys, as you can see on the video, it is the Makwela, Macele, and other family members. They are busy preparing for the Easter lunch. One thing I can say, these people can cook, guys. Umasamselek was not lying when he said Umacele, she will be teaching Umakwela how to cook. Now we can see Umacele knows how to cook. Some even did not like it. Ogote, now Umacele, she has to do the mother-in-law duties. Hi guys, it is what it is. Anyway, guys, let's tell me in the comment section, what do you think about it? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday.